What's good, my people? Back again with another quick video. In this video I'll just show you what I've bought recently, because I've been on and off buying pairs, but you know, I've just been on a random one. So it's a lot of Jordans, as you can see by the boxes. We'll move that, we'll move that, we'll move that. I'll start with this pair. So obviously, quick look, I will have full reviews on foots, etc. all posted completely separately, so watch out for them videos. First pair we've got, if you don't know, now you know, Jordan 4 Retro. Which type of Jordan 4 Retro? SB4s. The navy blue colorway. Lovely pair. I really wanted this pair for a while. Got them at a good price, so I thought, why not? So let's quick look at the SBs. Just throw them over there. Next pair, we'll keep it up with the Jordan 4s. So if you don't know, now you know. Amazing box. I really like this box. See-through Jumpman. Obviously removable lid. I've got the Jordan 4 Flight Club. So again, I really like this shoe. Don't mind that bit. Really like this colorway a lot. Some people compare them to military black. I think these stand out on their own. Just a tongue I wasn't 100% with, but it's alright. Lovely shoe. Way better in hand. So that's the Jordan 4s out the way. We'll move on to, we'll go down a number. And I'll show what I've got here, which is it's an Air Jordan 3, medium olive. This pair, for some strange reason, I don't know why, something told me they will go on sale. Grab them when they go on sale. So I got these less than half price. Retail was what, 180, 190. I got them lower than that. So lower than half price. Nike Air on the back. Gum sole. I love this shoe, man. So that's a quick look at the Jordan 3s. And then I don't know if this is my favorite, but it's my longest awaited pair out of all of these, because those are a new release, those are a new release, these are a new release, this isn't a new release. So Jordan 5, as you can tell, fire red 5s, black tongue. So again, I really wanted this pair. This pair always ends up going on sale for some reason, so I had to wait out. Grabbed them on the sale. Love this shoe. Nike Air on the back, 23. You can't go wrong. Lovely shoe, man. I really like this shoe a lot. I think Jordan 5s are my second favorite Jordan silhouette. Definitely have a place in my heart for this pair. Well, not this colorway, but this pair, Jordan 5s. But yeah, that's a quick look. All under retail. Literally all the pairs under retail. I'll do full reviews, unboxing, on foot, the rest of it very soon. So just subscribe to the channel, click that bell icon so you can see full reviews of all these pairs. But yeah, like, comment, share, subscribe, and take care, my people.